Can you see yourself in the 2018 Tesla Model S? With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Feed your appetite for speed in this breathtaking Model S. Visceral acceleration, crisp handling, and the space to immerse yourself in the very essence of driving are yours in this comfortable, stylish, full-size EV sports sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, sun moonroof, premium sound system, fog lamps, power passenger seat, power liftgate, active suspension. The future is here. Don't be left behind. Get into this exceptional Model S. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.